With SoftwareCentral's new application manager, you make it possible actually to auto-detect applications from Robopack in both SCCM and Intune. So if you take the 7-zip, you can see we have 5 different versions here. We can see which version it is. We can go in and inspect devices. We can see how many devices has this application, and then we can actually close, and then we can create a rule or use an existing one. If I create a new rule, I can go in and execute actions. Then I will select the advanced settings or use a deployment template. In here I can see this will be imported as machine scope for SCCM and Intune SCCM. In advanced settings I can see this application template, rule name, replace, the same with the tenant and so on. Download and import the software. Then I can go to logs and see what's going on, when this job has been done and so on, and press back. If I go to return, I can go in and see all the applications that I have. If I press the red framework here, I can see all information in a quick overview, which installed per user, device, log overview, shop, security, and so on. I can edit the application, the app info, the program, requirements, detection rules, dependencies, supersedence, assignment, and security. I can go into the shop data. I can put in description. I can put in the price, additional price, product categories, icon, additional languages, custom actions, add users to groups, and so on. Approve workflow, single, multiple, and all the things that we can do in SoftwareCentral. Replace the application with a new application, select the application, take Adobe Reader here, and then I can delete, remove, and so on, install like we can in SoftwareCentral. Everything is being summed here. Replace application, and then press back. Then I can also choose to assign software to device, users, groups, and so on, and install. The overview, again, quick overview. We can see the assignments, install status per device, per user, the logs, we can see everything logged on the package. We can see the security groups, security roles, the shop portal, and then we also can go back and see what in the shop, which users have ordered this, and so on, and back. I can create applications in here based on the Win32 applications, based on templates, select a file to upload, then I browse my local store or where I have my application, in this case C Windows temp, and then I will select Adobe Reader in here, and then I have an MSI, press that one, open that one, then it imports it to the web server, creates the Intune Web, and then it's ready for deployment, and so on. Then everything is logged there. We can see the log, what the system is doing, and the application will be created in Intune. We can also do it in SCCM.